Picture this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and see that your Bitcoin investment has jumped 20% overnight. But here's what's wild. You can't touch it, hold it, or put it in your pocket. So how can something that doesn't physically exist be worth over $100,000 per coin in 2025? Today, we're going to break down exactly how cryptocurrency gets its value without being a physical thing you can hold. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Hey everyone, if you've ever wondered how digital money can be worth anything when it's just numbers on a screen, you're in the right place. I'm going to explain this in the simplest way possible. No complicated tech jargon, no confusing terms. Just straight facts about why crypto has real value in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll understand why millions of people around the world trust their money to something they can't physically touch, and why major companies and even entire countries are jumping on board. Let's start with something we all understand. Rarity makes things valuable. Think about diamonds, rare baseball cards, or limited edition sneakers. The fewer there are, the more people want them. Bitcoin works the same way. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created. That's it, forever. Compare that to the US dollar, where the government can print more money anytime they want. This built-in scarcity is one of the main reasons Bitcoin hit over $110,000 in 2025. Here's the truth about all money. Even the cash in your wallet. It only has value because we all agree it does. The dollar bill in your pocket is just paper with ink on it. But because millions of people accept it as payment, it becomes valuable. The same thing happens with crypto, but even stronger. In 2025, over 560 million people worldwide own cryptocurrency. When that many people believe something has value and are willing to trade with it, it becomes real money. Network effects make it stronger. This is where crypto gets really interesting. Every time someone new starts using Bitcoin or Ethereum, it makes the whole network more valuable for everyone else. It's like when more people joined Facebook. The more users it had, the more useful it became. In crypto, this is huge. Studies show that Bitcoin's value has a 95% correlation with the number of people using it. More users mean more security, more places you can spend it, and more trust in the system. Real-world utility. The final piece is actual usefulness. In 2025, crypto isn't just for investing anymore. People use it for real things every day. Sending money across borders instantly without bank fees. Buying coffee at stores that accept Bitcoin. Getting paid through apps like PayPal, which now supports crypto payments. Accessing financial services in countries with unstable currencies. Let me give you some concrete examples of crypto value in action. Example 1. International money transfers. Sarah lives in New York and wants to send $500 to her cousin in the Philippines. Using traditional banks, she'd pay $25 to $50 in fees and wait 3 to 5 days. With crypto, she can send it in minutes for under $5. That's real, practical value. Example 2. PayPal and Venmo integration. In 2025, PayPal announced that Venmo users can now shop at millions of stores worldwide using crypto. This isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. Your digital wallet can buy you a real sandwich at a real store. Example 3. El Salvador's Bitcoin experiment. While El Salvador recently scaled back its Bitcoin legal tender status, the experiment taught us something important. Even when facing challenges, the country still holds 6,102 Bitcoins, worth about $500 million. That's real money from something with no physical form. Example 4. Crisis protection. During the Cyprus banking crisis in 2013, people turned to Bitcoin when their traditional banks failed. In Afghanistan, when women couldn't open bank accounts, they used Bitcoin to preserve their savings and escape with their wealth intact. This shows crypto's value as a backup when traditional systems break down. The crypto market is now worth nearly $4 trillion in 2025, and it's not slowing down. Major companies like PayPal are connecting different digital wallets worldwide through their PayPal World platform. This makes crypto more useful and accessible than ever. Even though El Salvador stepped back from Bitcoin as legal tender, they're still accumulating more of it. The US has climbed to second place in global crypto adoption, driven partly by the approval of Bitcoin ETFs. This institutional acceptance gives crypto more legitimacy and stability. Crypto networks are getting faster and cheaper to use. The Lightning Network makes Bitcoin transactions instant and nearly free. Ethereum and other platforms are powering everything from digital contracts to online games. As more people join crypto networks, they become more valuable for everyone. We're seeing this play out in real time. India leads global crypto adoption in 2025, with the US in second place. This growing user base creates a virtuous cycle where more adoption leads to more value, which attracts more adoption. But I can't hold it in my hands. Neither can you hold your bank account balance, your credit score, or your Netflix subscription. Yet these all have real value in your life. The physical form doesn't determine worth. Usefulness does. What if the internet goes down? The same thing would happen to your online banking, credit cards, and most modern payment systems. Crypto networks are actually more resilient because they're spread across thousands of computers worldwide, not controlled by one company. It's too complicated. Using crypto today is as easy as using Venmo or PayPal. Many people don't understand how their credit card works technically, but they still use it because it's useful. So, here's the bottom line. Crypto has value without physical form because value was never about being physical in the first place. It's about scarcity, agreement, network effects, and real-world usefulness. In 2025, we're seeing crypto mature from a speculative investment into actual money that people use for real purposes. From sending money across borders to shopping at your local store, from protecting wealth in unstable countries to accessing financial services everywhere. The future of money is already here, and it doesn't need to be physical to be powerful. Whether you decide to use crypto or not, understanding how it gets its value helps you understand how all money works in our digital age. Don't forget, like this video if it helped, subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics, and grab that free checklist in the description. Your future self will thank you for taking the time to understand this now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.